Hello and welcome to this new tutorial for the wedding and honeymoon file. We will start in this first short tutorial to see how to replace the images and the text, right? So this is the project overview. You will have here, you change your text and your image, right? You have the placeholder, and here you have all the pictures. Okay, and so what I suggest to do is to go well, let's say we have 26, there are 26 horizontal image, okay, and you have 12 large and 10 vertical image for a total of 48 image. Okay, so what I suggest you to do is to enter here when you see starting part 0. Okay, so you can double click and you have here this is the animation of the first image. Something I suggest to do if when you are working with 3D and some lights, when you are making the customization, you can press this small button here. This will stop the light, the shadow, and your file will be more fluid. Okay, will be more easy for you. So we go and start in comp starting part 0. Okay, right here, or we can go here in part 0 and we can start changing the placeholder. Okay, so let's say, for example, what we can do here is to make a new com viewer, right? And we will lock this one on the main view, right? And right here we can, let's see, we want to change, will be this picture here. Okay, so from here we can either right click and reveal layer in source projects, okay, or you come here and you just right click and replace footage, right? So when you replace your footage, right, let's see, for example, this one. Okay, so alright, right, so in this case it's not enough, but you get the picture on how to replace the footage, the picture. This is the same for all. Something to keep in mind is that if you want to have less placeholder, let's see, you don't want this one, right, well, just you disable, right? Okay. Once you are into the placeholder, this is how a placeholder is made, right? And what you have here, you have a wide option. This is something that I was looking in case to implement, but I decided to not put it. And you have here the text, right? The font I use, it's present LTD, but you can choose the font whatever you want. Okay, so this is the text, and this is the shape layer, right? The shape layer have some fractal noise, and as you can see there is some small spots here and stuff like that. So right, and this is a fake shadow, right? This is a shadow just, right? So this is how the placeholder are made. So you can just change the name here, and this is the image, right? So inside here you just change the image. This is one of the preset I made. We will speak about preset later on. So okay, so this is how the basic on how to replace the image. Very easy, no mystery. and there are some point here. Okay, let's see, for example, here, this one. You will have these elements here who are inside, right? They are highlighted in orange. Okay, so this is the conch, right? The conch. And inside you can insert whatever image you want. Okay, and what I did here is I put the text on a path. So how to do that? We will do another one. Okay, let's see. We will create some text, right? We will just disable this one. So we will create some text, and on the same layer we will make a path, right? So something like that. Okay, so now we go on the text layer, we open here, and in the text path options, right, we will choose mask 1, and now automatically my text is on the path. Okay, so now you can arrange your text, and the other options are the same, right? So you can color your text and you are ready to go. All right, you can see now it's not very clear, so you can go inside and take it. Just let's see right here how it's look. Yeah, why not? Okay, so this is how to change the text, right? The same here with the flower. You will find those images inside, so feel free to use it, right? Flowers and the name. Okay, so this is one of the elements included in the package, so we will look at this later on. And I think for this first part is everything. We will speak in the next short tutorial in how to extend the composition. Okay, so see you in the next tutorial. Ciao ciao.